Marigold, Book 2, Class 2, Unit 2. I want.
Welcome to Hindi Kala Kendra. If you are new to our channel, then please click on the subscribe button to get more of your desired content. Turn on the notifications by clicking on that bell near the subscribe button so that you get notified the earliest and fastest whenever we upload new content. If you love our content, then please share our channel with your friends and family members. Now, without wasting more time, let's get learning.
Hello kids, have you ever wanted something that you saw with your friend or maybe someone just walking by? Perhaps you wanted the same toy as them or the same clothes as them, or maybe even the shoes they wear, and have wished to have the same item. Just like this boy over here in this picture who wishes to have the toys that he sees in front of him. Remember kids, we should be happy with what we have with us and be thankful for it. Now let's read the story. I want to be big, says little monkey. I want to be strong. Strong means having the power to move heavy objects. A wise woman hears him. Take this magic wand, she says, and all your wishes can come true. Wand means a rod with magical powers to make spells. Wishes means a feeling of wanting to do something. So, what happened? One day, a little monkey who was playing in the tree said that I want to be big. I want to be strong. He wishes that he was big and he was strong. So, a wise woman heard him say that and she said, you can take this magic wand. She gave him a magic wand and told that whatever he wishes will come true or will happen in his life. A giraffe comes by. He stretches his long neck. He eats the sweet leaves at the top of the trees. Stretches means moving something ahead to reach another point far away. So what did he do? A giraffe came where the monkey was playing on the tree and he stretched his long neck. That is, he made his neck reach out up to the top of the tree where the leaves were. So, he ate the sweet leaves that were on the top of the tree. I want a long neck, says little monkey. Pop! So, what did little monkey wish for? He said that he wants a long neck. A long neck like who? The giraffe. So, his neck grows long, just like the giraffe's. Little monkey is happy. So, when he said that he wants a long neck, the magic wand that the wise woman gave made his wish come true and he also got a long neck like the giraffe. This made the little monkey happy. An elephant comes down to the river. Now there was a river under the tree. And what came now? An elephant. He fills his trunk with water. What does a trunk mean? An elephant's nose. He blows it all over himself. Blows means to push air out of your nose or mouth. So a trunk is an elephant's nose. The elephant filled his trunk with the water from the river and he blew it all over himself. So when the little monkey saw this, what did he do? He said, I want to do that too, says little monkey. Bang! So what happened now? The elephant came to the river, he filled his nose with the water and blowed it over himself. When the little monkey saw this, he said that he wanted to do that too. So he wished and the magic wand fulfilled his wish. So just like that, he grows a trunk. Now the monkey also has a long nose like the elephant. He is very happy. This is fun, he says. So now the little monkey is very happy because he has a long neck like the giraffe and a long nose like the elephant. Next, little monkey sees a zebra. I want stripes like those, he says. Whiz. What does stripes mean? Stripes are long single lines. After the giraffe and the elephant, the monkey saw a zebra. A zebra has long single lines on his body that are known as stripes. So, the little monkey wished that he had stripes like the zebra as well. And whiz, with a sound, the magic wand fulfilled this wish too. Now the little monkey has stripes all over his body just like the zebra. He is very happy. Now why is the monkey very happy? First he got a long neck like the giraffe, then he got a long nose like the elephant, and then finally he got stripes on his body like a zebra. So that made him happy. This is how a zebra looks with the stripes. He goes to the river to try out his new trunk. He looks down. He sees himself in the water. Now he came down from the tree and he went to the river to try the new trunk that he got like the elephant. He also wanted to fill his trunk with the water and blow it over his body. But when he looked down in the river, what did he see? He saw himself. He saw his reflection. Mother, he cries, help, a monster. That's not a monster, says his mother. That's you. So when he saw himself in the river, he got scared and he cried out for his mother. He said, Mother, help, a monster. He thought that he saw a monster and he asked for his mother's help. But what did his mother say? His mother said that what he is seeing in the river is not a monster, but it is himself. It is his new body. You want a giraffe's neck, an elephant's trunk, and stripes like a zebra. Don't you remember? The mother reminds him that you were the one who wished for a neck like a giraffe, a trunk like the elephant, and stripes on the body like a zebra. Do you not remember that? Monster means a scary creature and awful means something that is really bad. So, the monkey is not happy with his new body. He says that he looks awful, which means he looks really bad. I want to be myself again. So, the little monkey again wished that he wants to be himself again. There is a pop, a bang and a whiz. Little monkey is himself again. He jumps for joy. So, when the little monkey said that he wants to be himself again, the magic wand again fulfilled his wish and with a pop, a bang and a whiz sound, the monkey became himself again. His long nose, neck and the stripes on the body were gone. He jumps for joy, means he jumps in happiness. He throws the magic wand into the river. He never wants to be anyone else again. Now, once the monkey has transformed again and become himself, what does he do? He throws the magic wand in the river because now he does not wish to be anyone else again. This story is written by Judy Ling. New words: strong, wand, wishes, blows, trunk and monster. Now let's put these words into sentences to learn them better. Strong. My father is really strong. Wand. Harry Potter has a wand to make spells. Wishes. I made many wishes on my birthday. Blows. I blew air in 10 balloons today. Trunk. An elephant has a long trunk. Monster. I became a monster to scare my friend. Now let's do the question and answers of I want. Put a tick or a cross against the following sentences. One has been done for you. The little monkey wants to be big and strong. So it's correct and we'll put a tick mark. A wise woman does not hear him. This is wrong because a wise woman heard him. She gives him a wand. This is correct, so we'll put a tick mark. The giraffe stretches his long neck. This is also correct, so we'll put another tick. The elephant has no trunk. This is wrong, so we'll put a cross. The elephant has a trunk. The zebra has stripes. Yes, the zebra has stripes, so we'll put a tick mark. The little monkey sees a monster in the river. No, the little monkey sees himself in the river. Is there anyone in your class whom you like? Yes, there is Antara whom I like. You can write the name of your friend whom you like. Do you want to be like her or him? Why? Yes, I want to be like her because she is a really good painter and singer. You can write what you like about your friend. Do you know about the food that each animal eats? Yes, I know about the food that each animal eats. Now let's see what each animal eats. A giraffe eats leaves from the top of trees. An elephant eats leaves, grass, fruits, herbs, etc. A zebra eats grass, leaves, shrub, twigs and bark. Twigs are small branches and bark is the hard surface of a tree or a shrub. A monkey eats fruits, leaves, flowers, seeds and nuts. What does little monkey want to be? The little monkey wants to be a giraffe, an elephant and a zebra. Who hears him? A wise woman hears him. How does an elephant have a bath? An elephant fills his trunk with water from the river or lake and then blows it over his body, as you can see here in the video. Does the zebra have spots or stripes? A zebra has stripes on his body, like this. Why does little monkey want to be himself again? At last he wants to be himself again because he finds his new self scary like a monster. There are many kinds of people. They all look different. One face has been drawn for you. Complete the rest of the faces. You can draw these 5 faces with the help of your teacher or parents. Act out the story. Play the parts of the monkey, the wise woman and the mother in turns in the classroom. You can do this with your friends or your family members at home. What would you do if you had a magic wand? I would turn it round and round and turn a book into a pen. I would turn a dog into a cat. I would turn a pencil into a computer and I would turn you into a soft toy. You can write other things which you would like to turn them into. Say aloud. Say these words aloud after me. Strong, stretch, string, stripes, school, skin, scold, scruffy, spot, spit, spin, spell, zebra, zoom, zip, zoo, giraffe, jump, joy, jelly, gum, girl, grow, give. Let's find. Monkeys are fun to watch. Can you find the word monkey 5 times in the box? Now let's find the word monkey in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have found it 6 times. You can mark any 5 out of these. Now, write about your favorite animal or bird by completing these sentences. My favorite animal or bird is rabbit. I like it because it is cute and soft to touch. I don't like it because it runs very fast and is hard to catch. I think it looks like a fluffy stuffed toy. You can write about the animal or bird that is your favorite. Match the animal to its group. Let's see what the animals are. A bee, a cow, a lion, a bird. Now let's see the groups. A pride of lions, a flock of birds, a swarm of bees, and a herd of cows. So, a bee will go to a swarm of bees. A cow will go to a herd of cows. A lion will go to a pride of lions. And a bird will go to a flock of birds. The monkey wrote to his mother, I look awful. He made 2 mistakes. What are they? Write the sentence correctly. I look awful. So the 2 mistakes are, he has to make the I capital and he has to put an exclamation mark in the end. Put the letters in order to make a word. 2 have been done for you. OT, 2. SI, is. So, let's complete the other words. This becomes he. This becomes big. This is him, his, her, and finally can. Look at the pictures, count and write. Count and write. 1 giraffe. Add S to the names of the animals. Giraffes. Count and write. So now there are 2 giraffes. So we'll write 2 giraffes. Here is 1 elephant. So we'll write 1 elephant. First we'll put an S after the name and then count how many elephants are here. 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 elephants. This is 1 zebra. Now we'll put an S after the name, that is zebras, and then we'll count how many zebras are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 zebras. This is 1 frog. We'll put an S after the name and then count how many frogs are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 frogs. So, what did we learn today? We learnt that we should be happy with the body we have and not wish for what others have. We learnt new words. Then we solved the questions and answered them. After that, we drew faces. Then we filled in the blanks. Then we said some words aloud. And finally, did some fun activities. Finally, click that like button and turn that black thumb blue if you enjoyed the lesson today. Don't forget to comment down below your suggestions and opinions. We would gladly accept them and reply as soon as possible. And if you are new to our channel or haven't subscribed already, then what are you waiting for? Quickly click on that red subscribe button to get more amazing content. Don't forget to check out your class's Hindi chapters. Link will be in the description box below. Thank you for learning this lesson with me. Hope you enjoyed.